you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your Nintendo Switch, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and improve your connection. Follow these steps to enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and strong. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak, consider moving closer to the router or using a wired connection. Step 2. Restart your Nintendo Switch. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Power off your Nintendo Switch completely, wait for a few moments, and then turn it back on. This can refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Step 3. Update your system software. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Go to System Settings, then select System, and choose System Update. Download and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for better performance. Go to System Settings, then Internet, and select Internet Settings. Here, you can test your connection and adjust settings like DNS to use a faster server if needed. Step 5. Check for server issues. Sometimes, the problem may not be on your end. Check Nintendo's official website or social media channels for any announcements regarding server maintenance or outages that could be affecting multiplayer functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your Nintendo Switch multiplayer experience. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.